Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri ke Sarkar Jala ba Comingone Ymbon ulapan pau ba Pdiang ke Wanrah ke Lynti rel Hapoh ke Jala Meghalaya. Habakren bikilat pathai khubor ke janmi jong ke sini Pdiang ke tayo ke arpau tarik urisau arajar arpulai ba Comingone uloong ba kiwe ki Jala bat kiri ibadan ke Lynti rel ki breu ki yo shibun ki jingmentoy. Ha ke jok ke por uni menteri uloong ru ba ka bai kali ke khamrem ban ya ke bai rel bat kiwe ki mar ki mataru ki khamtat ke dor la da Wanrah da ke rel. Shu ba Ymbon uloong ru bagi seng bhalang ki ba persha ke Lynti rel ki dan da ke jingtmu kataban pej ya ke bah kamiat jong ke Jala wat kom juru ki pai ba ki ba Pdiang ke Lynti rel ki ru ki dan la ke jong ke jingtmu mar ki haban pej ya ke jing ba jong la dia.
So there have been talks about trying to connect Jaiñtia Hills with railways. You as one of the leaders from that area, what are your thoughts?
From my side, I welcome the railway. I have seen the country, they have the railway. The people, they get a lot of benefit from it. Suppose, last time I went to Karo Hills to hoisting the flag on the Independence Day. After hoisting the flag, I went to the railway station in Pdiang. I have seen the people of that area, they get a lot of profit. Because to travel from Pdiang to Khasi, taxi driver, they used to ask 280 per head. The train only 30 rupees. They start from Pdiang, from Risu, 7 o'clock, they'll turn back 7 o'clock in the evening. Small farmer, they carry maybe 1 basket, 2 basket of fruit, any production from there, they can sell to the government. They get a lot of profit. Even in the essential commodities also. Suppose rice in Risu, we get 30 rupees that time. I inquired that time. In the month of August, I inquired from the shop, what is the price of this? Rice in Risu is 31 rupees. Here in Shillong is 44 rupees. That much is the difference.
So you think this will turn out to be beneficial?
If the railways come to Jaiñtia Hills, I think lot of people, they will get a job, maybe indirectly. Transportation, we have so many resources in Jaiñtia like limestone, like gold, no? The transport by truck is almost 2,000 per ton. I think if the transport by railway maybe 500 per ton, that 1,500 will come to your pocket, no?
You are saying that if railways comes to Jaiñtia Hills, the prices of commodities will come down.
Yes, sure.
But now we have seen just a second. But now we have seen the common people are not opposing to railways, but whereas the NGOs are opposing to the railway projects in Meghalaya. What do you have to say?
That I cannot say. They have a different agenda. No? Means NGOs also, they look for the welfare of the state. These common people, they look the welfare for them, you know. That I cannot comment regarding
that. But how do you plan to convince these NGOs? Because like for 5-6 years, I don't think there has been any talks with NGOs to convince them, to explain to them the positive side of railways.
That will decide the government. For me alone, I cannot say regarding that.
But now they have asked for implementation of ILP before implementing such railway projects. But don't you think that the government should, grant Meghalaya ILP?
You see, the government already sent a proposal to the government of India regarding that. We passed the resolution in the House. We already passed the resolution in the House. The central government now, the ball with the central government, let the central government approve that.
But since we don't have railways here, how do you see the difference between Karo Hills and Khasi Jaiñtia Hills?
Lot of different. I already replied regarding lot of different. People, they can take her own product from garden to sell to Khasi, only 30 rupees. Then if they sit in a taxi, the fare is 280. That is the difference. 30 rupees and 280.
And you think this is because of railways?
Yes.